How to send view once photo on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So sending view once photo on WhatsApp is a very simple process. Follow me through and you will be able to send view once photos on WhatsApp very easily. So first, launch your WhatsApp application. After that, go to the chat where you want to send a view once photo. Then tap on the camera from the message box. Click a picture. And now before sending, you will see this icon where it says 1. Simply tap on it. Now the photo is set to view once. Now simply send it. And done. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.